If he says my tractor is too big, I'm going to kill him.
Tractor's too bloody big. Look at it, you're catching on the tree. It's going to take the beacon off.
It's got the wrong hitch on.
What?
That's a European hitch.
What's the message? I got it from Germany.
You may well have done.
It's like they could sense I was a new boy.
Oh, no! No, they're going back. They're just... Oh, for fucking hell. No, 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 no. Big hell. No, 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 no. Fuck it, go and live in that field. Get run over. See if I care.